88 turkey farms in Minnesota have been completely devastated by this year's bird flu. And as we've reported, Minnesota is the largest producing state for turkeys in the U.S. And so far, about 5.8 million birds have died from the bird flu. And as our Scott Sheehan tells us, Minskew is looking to help farmers who have lost their flocks.
Minnesota farms produce about 46 million turkeys annually, bringing in $60 million. And with turkeys producing about $17.50 in direct economic activity, there's a lot of money that could be lost during this bird flu that's killing entire flocks. And AgCentric is working to get farmers whose flocks were affected back on their feet.
How are they going to live between now and when they can repopulate the barns and get an income flowing again? And in some cases, they've got expenses incurred that weren't covered. You know, it's kind of like insurance. It's going to pay for the basics, but in the meanwhile, you still got to take care of those essential pieces.
Minskew's still trying to determine the cause of the bird flu and how it's spreading. But right now, leads point to it being an airborne disease.
So it could be as simple as a defecation of a wild bird outside the barn. Airborne particle comes in on whatever, dust, however, and we get infection. But because the spread is so broad in geographic layout, you know, we're from Canada to Nebraska. So there's no, you know, obviously Candy-Ojai County, of the 88 farms infected, 33 are in Candy-Ojai, so that's obviously the epicenter.
The farmers say this disease is scary because how quickly the bird flu is killing flocks. And they say even if they keep everything sterile, their best defense is prayer.
Well, we've been doing a lot of praying to hope it just stays away. Like I say, when you wake up in the morning and they're all alive, it's a good day. Because the horror stories we heard, you know, people will come to their barn in the morning and find half of them dead. That's a sad day. You know, it's pretty stressful on a person.
AgCentric and farmers say 70-degree temperatures can't come to Minnesota fast enough because they believe this disease can only survive in colder temperatures. In Staples, Scott Sheehan, Lakeland News.
Health experts say people can't get sick from eating fully cooked poultry, even if the turkey had bird flu.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.